Hi, I'm Amber Paisano. I work at Texas Instruments. I manage the video program. We've done about 40 videos in the last year, and I contacted Rendon Media for help placing subtitles. They took our subtitles and placed them on the videos for us. I think within a matter of weeks, the project, I sent them 10 at one time, I think, and they had them back to me, excellent quality, on time, under budget. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
My name is Steve Hayes. I'm the Assistant Athletic Director and Head Football Coach at Trinity Christian Academy. 2 years ago, Rendon Media did our highlight video for our football season. During the course of a football season, which lasts 12 weeks long, Rendon Media videoed games on a weekly basis, did incredible editing, came back and allowed us to provide feedback on an unfinished product, and went back and made changes and provided a product that was an outstanding product, an outstanding representation of our season, and one that really gave the players and the families a great memory of the accomplishments of the kids that year.
My name is Philip Robertson. I coached a youth sports football team this year where we won the football championship. I contacted Rendon Media probably about midway through the season because I knew it would be a special year and I wanted some great memories. He was prompt, respectful, the service was second to none, and not only do we enjoy these DVDs during the season, but it's something we'll be able to put in the DVD player down the road and have some great memories. Absolutely perfect service. Great job.
You know, I feel really lucky or blessed that we found Rendon Media. I can tell you they were fast, affordable, professional, helpful. They were our first call and they will be our last call.
Hi, I'm Kim Wilson and I used Rendon Media for my wedding video. My wedding video is phenomenal. It is absolutely the coolest thing I have on TV. It makes me laugh, it makes me cry, it makes me fall in love with my husband again. It's just great. Working with Guillermo was one of the best experiences I've ever had with a professional, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. So I hope you make the right decision and go with Rendon Media like I did.